Grading is a technique used to extend the transmission distance of signals or enhance the quality of signals. It is often employed to compensate for transmission losses or coupling losses in cable usage. Grading in cable usage. Cables incur signal loss during the transmission process, known as transmission loss. This loss increases proportionally with the length of the cable. Hence, for longer transmission distances, increased transmission loss can degrade signal quality. Grading is employed to compensate for transmission loss. It can be achieved by using cables with different characteristics based on cable length or employing devices that decrease transmission loss in the cable. Grading for signal level coupling loss. Coupling loss in cables refers to the loss of signal that occurs during the connection of cables. This loss varies based on the type of cable and the connection method. By using cables with higher coupling loss in areas with higher signal levels and cables with lower coupling loss in areas with lower signal levels can be equalized. This process is referred to as grading. Grading finds applications in various fields such as wireless communication, wired communication, broadcasting, etc. For instance, in wireless communication, grading is used to amplify signals received at antennas. Similarly, in wired communication, grading is used to extend the transmission distance of signals. Types of grading. Grading can be broadly categorized into simple grading and multiple grading. Simple grading involves connecting high and low signal level areas directly to perform grading. Multiple grading divides high and low signal level areas into multiple stages for grading, allowing for more precise control over signal levels compared to simple grading. Grading is a technology that progressively alters the type or characteristics of cables to enhance the transmission distance or quality of a signal. Grading applied in cable usage and signal level coupling loss serves the following purposes. 1. Equalizing signal levels. Due to transmission losses in cables, signal levels might decrease. To counter this, employing cables with higher coupling loss in areas with higher signal levels and lower coupling loss in areas with lower signal levels helps equalize the signal level. For instance, assuming the transmission of a signal to an antenna located 10 kilometers away, using a cable with a 5 dB coupling loss at a 0.5 kilometers away and a cable with a 3 dB coupling loss from that point to the antenna maintains a consistent signal level. 2. Extending transmission distance. The transmission distance of a cable is limited by its characteristics. By increasing the signal level, it's possible to extend this distance. For example, if the cable's characteristic impedance capable of transmitting up to 10 km is 50 ohms, increasing the signal level by 10 dB to 60 dB allows transmission up to 10 km. Types of grading. Grading can be broadly categorized as structured grading and unstructured grading. Structured grading involves systematically altering the type or characteristics of cables at regular intervals. Unstructured grading involves adaptively changing the type or characteristics of cables based on the situation without following regular intervals. Advantages of grading. Grading offers several advantages. Enhancing signal quality by equalizing signal levels. Extending transmission distances. Cost savings by appropriately selecting cable types or characteristics.